Mfana kagama lo, we are back with another one. Now welcome to More Zion Music. Guys, naxolisa ukuposta so late. I was tired. Plus nala makhaza la unga understand ukuthi what's happening. Anyway, welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music, ukwaba ukucula, basically your own Zion music analyst. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I had to react to Lesotho Lil for the second time because I don't have a second video on my YouTube channel. Before I get into everything, please make sure that you hit that like button. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Please subscribe. Thank you to every person who keeps commenting, who keep interacting with me. Thank you to all the people that have subscribed. This is going to be one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in South Africa, and it is Misele. And Ukuliswa Amakolo. And I am grateful for you guys. So today we are reacting to God's Vision Ministries. Ume nami ngingam nging solo mina sankoba bafethu. But anyway, God's Vision Ministries. The video was shot last year at the youth conference. So sizwe, let's get to it.
Sisukumise umfundisi wethu ubaba uZuma eze ngaphambi Jesu uminami
Listen, the first time Bangizai God's Vision Ministries was 2023. There's a video I react to God's Vision. It was a funeral. That was the first time you saw banda. Yeah. With Willie Tenela. I've never heard Eternal that loud before. Maybe I'm lying, maybe I have, I never paid attention, but I've never heard Eternal that loud before. Irrespective of where they are, whoever oshaya ifirst part ku God's Vision, ngicela ukuhlangana nawe my sister, whoever you is, angazi ningayike. Listen. Engumthokozisi. This man for Taiwan. God's Visions Ministries. There she is. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. There she is. If it was you, ngomngcwabo Makhabela, with Makhabela, I hope I'm saying it right. If that was I, what? There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There is no way this lady sounds like this. There is no way. Hi guys. Yeah, because is also one of those churches when they sing, you really you want to. That's nyakhohlwa ukuthi fanele ngireact. Oh my God. You. I. Once in your lifetime, even if you're not a Christian, go and visit Sonto Lama Zion. Let's trust me, you won't get disappointed. You won't get disappointed. Guys, the way the Sonto, everything is so intact. It feels unreal. The bass is on point. The tenor yabo is on point. The alto yabo is on point. The first part yabo is on point. The soprano yabo. Hey, kuna this backup ocula makngasekuthulekile. And then you hear the things they say. Or mhlambe it's the leader. And then the leader comes in and sings. If it's him doing that, or there's someone else, whoever you is or are, Angisho labantu babaku-Result bahlala neswep sihlale la because hayibo. Iyo. First part, Nkosi yami. Sure, first part. You. Hey. Hey. Ay, Mamzo. No. Guys, you know what? The word perfect is an understatement right now when it comes to God's vision. These people, them people are a definition of perfection to the T. This church. Sandla Salome kusho kungena imali. Hey, nawe ke. Hey. Kunjubani. The name flew away. He is the one singing. Wow. Guys, let me tell you. By the back of my hand, ne? Angakawaboni la amanye amabandla. I'm still getting there to see how everything runs and the participation of people and nabo presiding or abo chief however way they choose to do it. Umkak, Unzuza, Shabalala, Noasukozvich. What's man? I know the name is somewhere here, but I'll get it. Those are angazi laba abanye. That's why ngithi engibaziyo currently. I know it's Katmasi, I'm still gonna get more. Currently, no blessing. They are one of the most active presidings or bishop of the churches. Engbazi off by my hand, those five. You understand? Those five. Obviously no shumi. I would say 6. And among it active, I mean it's either actively singing or actively ekwabeni, but just participating and being part of. And some presidings are abafani, some they chill, they're happy. Not all of them, but young tall, really hands on. And ageko, no one is better than the other. Omunye nomunye goes ngeyakhe indlela. Abanye they like, you know what? I've had my chance when I was still a youth to participate and sing wara wara wara. So they would give ibandla labo a chance to just do what they want. Abanye they actively join in. So it's nice to actively see umfundisi, hayi umfundisi, bishop or priest. Okay, well they umfundisi regardless. Being active like that, yazi ikeza ufile ukuthi no man, le bandla leli yikho kumnandi kanje. I'm not saying ukuthi labo presiding abangayenzi isonto. No, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. But it's a nice thing though.
Ngiyabona nasempilweni ngiyabona nasempilweni akashiyane endleleni inkosi yami manami inkosi yami manami
Wow, this homie can sing. No, homie can sing. Yay! No, he can sing. Like, that's why it goes, if it goes vicious, yeah. Listen, I trust these people. Yeah, the first video in Ibonea, that hole was huge, humongous hole, bigger than a lot of this girl's forehead. Big. I mean, like big. And they were humming. They were not even singing. The first 5 minutes they were humming. And you can tell, look at Lele, it's not a big hall. But your ears how compare. Listen, I don't care. God's visions ungayibeka anywhere. I am telling you now, whatever they're saying will be clear. That's one thing about them. Man, listen. I'm a lyrics Malan. I think they took me maybe 3 or 4 times because I couldn't hear what they were saying. But by the fifth one, I could hear good but. They are clear. They are, listen, abarasi, they are loud. They are, they are audible. These people are audible when they sing. It does not matter where you put it, God's vision. I need to get blessed and attend. Whether I say this up or just be there. Just be there. Keep quiet and listen. I am telling you. And then you're born. Give us it. Hey. Aye. Hi guys, yeah. Now I was expecting that one. There's no way, man. And you're just chilling there. Just you're lying. You are lying. No. ngingasho ukuthi le holo leli uyalibona ukuthi it's not that big, regardless of the size. One thing about ilentuzana, one thing about God's vision, they will. Ha! Yo, ay. Onendlebe zami, they're still flabbergasted. They're like, yo, bro, what's happening? I'm like, praise and worship, my dog. Praise and worship is what's happening. What? What? Yeah. And like, guys, if you do like the content on my channel, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, and share. The more you like, the more my videos can get around. Other people can get exposed to this YouTube channel as well. And like I said, guys, thank you for the support. This channel is doing crazy numbers. Now the numbers are insane. I've only been reacting for a month, and I can tell you, Uguti, all my videos combined, I land at 6K views. So I'm thinking by the time Lonyaga Upela, I'll be looking at because 10,000 is very small. I'll be looking at least close to 80 or 90,000 views. And look, man, it's just for the love of Zion music, man. It's just to show people Guti, this is what's happening. People understand music. You break it down to them. You show them Guti, this, da 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 da. And also we encourage and we expose people to other churches. Such as myself, I'm getting exposed to more churches. And we are building even other churches, small churches. I'm not here to not criticize, but basically to discourage and disrespect Amabandla. You understand? If a church is small, yes, the singing can never amount to whichever church that you like. And I know abantu abaningi la abasonta khona, it's not even their own favorite church. Their favorite church is the other church la abangasonti khona. Majority of the people. But you have to be grateful for la amanye amabandla. So, yo, again, if you do like the content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also give me a recommendation to other churches as well. Naseswatini too, I'm getting the love. I appreciate you guys. Nyabonga. And yeah, man, so in the favorite words of the Jupiter, adios.